don't add fire. Because if you talk about the issue of Ishamati, government is there to handle the situation and to take care that the citizens of the state of Meghalaya, be it non-tribal, be it tribal, the responsibility of the government is to make sure that both tribal and non-tribal are safe, and we stay safe. Not only safe, we walk and we grow together in the state. Be the Home Minister of West Bengal, CM has already taken up this issue. But my humble request to those stakeholders who creating more confusion as far as the issue of Ishamati is concerned, kindly refrain from doing that. And please understand one thing. Government elected by the people is there in place. The solution is not in Calcutta. The solution is in Meghalaya. If need be, the door is open. Come over to Shillong. Let us sit across the table. We discuss what are the issues. But don't make an issue outside the boundary. Because I think that is not, you don't get a correct message or you don't get a correct picture at all. As I said to you from day one, that unwanted incident has happened in Ishamati from day one. We are sure, be it tribal, be it not tribal, government is there. We'll make sure that law and order is under control and it should be as normal as it was before. We are there, and we are responsible also if anything goes wrong. And then government of West Bengal is responsible in case if anything goes wrong over there.